Ever face the frustrating, "Your card was declined" message on PayPal? Don't let it stop your online shopping dead in its tracks. This video is your definitive guide to solving those persistent PayPal card declines and getting you back to seamless transactions in no time. First, let's pinpoint the culprit. The most common reasons for a declined card on PayPal include insufficient funds, an expired credit or debit card, or simply entering incorrect card details. Double-check these basics. Step 1. Head to your PayPal account and navigate to your digital wallet here. You can review all your linked payment methods. Ensure the card you're trying to use is still valid. Check the expiry date and confirm all the numbers and your billing address match exactly what your bank has on file. Next, consider your bank's end. Sometimes, your bank might flag a transaction as suspicious, especially for online purchases, and decline it for security reasons. Step 2. Contact your bank. Directly explain that you're trying to make a PayPal purchase. They can often provide details about why the transaction was blocked and help you authorize future payments. If you have multiple cards linked to PayPal, try using a different one. Sometimes, a specific card might have restrictions or temporary issues that another card won't encounter. Step 3. Update your primary payment method in PayPal. Sometimes, simply setting a different card as your default can resolve persistent issues. For more complex issues, like bank policies or PayPal account limitations, visiting the PayPal Help Center is your next best step for detailed solutions. With these steps, you'll be back to enjoying smooth, uninterrupted online shopping through PayPal. A circumflex euros, no more frustrating declines.